Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, we talked in the previous video about the idea that we could get another low here. That would be the primary scenario. One more low in this C wave of wave 2. Okay, maybe let's disregard the WXY for now. But we talk about that in a minute. But the idea was that after this 5-wave move to the upside that we've discussed this now a lot of times, that we get a 3-wave correction, yeah. And in this ABC structure, the C wave could get one more low and then possibly turn around. It could already be finished, as I said, but the idea was that it only really fulfilled the bare minimum of this ABC correction, and one more low seems to be missing to form a complete ABC structure, also looking at the subwaves. And yeah, again, it really only reached a 38.2 retracement at 1843, which is one of the resistances we talked about and one of the possible targets, but not really the ideal one. And therefore, and also because the last rally here, I mean, you can't really call it a rally, but the move up here was only corrective. So we only really had a corrective upside move. So naturally, we expect one more low. Let's see. I don't expect too much to happen here today, tomorrow, because it's weekend. But maybe towards the end of the weekly candle, we see a little volatility. But yeah, if one more low occurs, obviously it would need to break below 1828. Then support will be 1819, 1802, and 1761. That is these are the levels that I'm watching for reaction. And as long as price stays below 1895, this is the last swing high here, the Thursday high, one more low is expected. That's basically it. And then we need to be watching for reaction at these fib levels. And if we see a reaction here, we can be watching for a 3rd wave rally to the upside, but only if we see an impulse. If we don't see the price action that would support it, we are likely seeing an extension of this correction. Now, an ABC can morph into an extended correction, and basically the ABC correction will become the first wave of a larger correction. So the ABC is then the wave W, then we would get an X wave. That basically happens if we don't see an impulse up, but only a corrective move. We will call that an X wave, and we will see a Y wave to the downside, more of an extended correction. Yeah, not a problem if the move up occurs quite soon, because if this move down goes very deep, then it is unlikely that it's going to be a WXY, because the Y wave will go lower, but the overall wave 2 shouldn't really go below $1,700. So the Y wave would run out of space. So maybe one more low, then a move up. If it's an X wave and not a major problem, we'll probably then dip back into the support area and have another chance at maybe 1761 or 1702 to turn around. Bear in mind, what I showed you before is here this trend line, the ascending trend line, that Ethereum's price reacted to once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times already. So we might test that trend line again. And that would be pretty much exactly where the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level at $1,700 is located. So yeah, keep an eye on these levels. And if price breaks above 1895, we have a first indication that the low is in. But then it's all about the structure to tell us, okay, is it just an X wave or is it an impulse? To really see a 3rd wave to the upside, we need to see a break first above 1960. That's the B wave high, and above the wave 1 high at 1977. And then I think we have go time, and next resistance will be $2,140. There is not much more to talk about. So hopefully we start to see some action, but at the moment price seems to be following the script. Ethereum has been following nicely. We've been waiting for 5 waves up. We got the 5 waves up. We didn't break support. Now the 3 waves down are occurring, and ideally we're holding 1700. Alright, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.